The Atlanta Day Shelter is a daytime resource center and safe haven for homeless women and children in Metro Atlanta. We provide daytime care, including critical needs services, medical care, job readiness training, computer training classes and labs, as well as early childhood education classes for our preschool-aged children. Our proposed project is a new database system for the shelter. Our database was created over 10 years ago and is our sole information hub, not only keeping track of our daily statistics, but also allowing us to report on our programs and make sure that we're meeting the needs of our guests. Last year we saw 4,642 individuals, and it's important that we keep track and make sure that our resources are going to the right programs. Having a new database will allow us to ensure that our guests are receiving the services that they need in a timely fashion. In addition, it's going to allow us to be better stewards of our funds given by many different donors.
The Ben Massell Dental Clinic has served the Metro Atlanta community for over 100 years, providing a full array of dental services to the working poor.
The project that we proposed to TechBridge is a digital inventory management system. We are really a leading facility in many regards, but we don't have any kind of way to track all of our supplies. And we have the generosity of the community donating bits and pieces, as well as many suppliers, but we don't have any way to manage what comes in and what goes out. Being able to receive this award would allow us to serve an additional 400 patients and recognize a 20% gain in our efficiency. In addition to that, our clinic is looked to both in the community here in Atlanta as well as across the country as a leader and a role model. So it's one of the things that we would add as a best practice of how we could help others replicate this kind of work and impact their own communities.
Genesis is a shelter for homeless newborn babies and their families. So in order to enter Genesis, a family has to have a baby under 6 months of age. We provide 6 months of shelter, licensed child care, food, counseling, job skill development, referrals in the community. Our whole program is designed to help the families of that newborn create a life of permanency and safety for their baby. Genesis proposed a project to move from individual desktop computing to all of our computing and data management coming through our server. This technology will mean that the time of the day that staff spend managing data, doing the computer work, will be reduced. That means they spend more time with the residents, they spend more time planning, they spend more time making referrals. So it means that our time is spent where it needs to be spent, is working with our clients and helping them achieve their goals. It would greatly increase our efficiency, our effectiveness, and our accountability to our clients and to the folks who provide us funding to do this work.